Samsung has practically mastered the foldable phone over the previous several years, and its next Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to outperform the company's existing flagship foldable devices. Although we won't probably see the device until late July or early August, there have already been a lot of leaks and rumors, and you can discover all of them in this video along with information on when and how much the phone could be released. The Galaxy Fold 5 has been depicted in a number of unofficial renders, and it appears that it will resemble the Fold 4 that came before it quite a bit. Additionally, pictures of what appears to be the phone's case have now surfaced, and they display the same design, suggesting that the main visual change may simply be the camera flash moving outside the camera block. Having said that, we've also heard that the phone would reportedly include a water drop-shaped hinge that will allow the two sides of the device to lie fully flat against one another. In theory, this would increase the foldable's durability. Another source that later added that the phone will reportedly also be water-resistant, like the present model, has subsequently confirmed this. Another tip suggested that it might be able to withstand dust as well as water, but it was unclear whether the company would actually go that far or if the suggestion was only being considered. If true, the foldable would be the first Samsung product to receive IP68 certification rather than the IPX8 the current model sports. The foldable phone 5 will only be tested for 300,000 folds, compared to other competitors' phones that are tested for 400,000 folds. Additionally, it implies that there won't be any big spec increases and that the device would be somewhat slimmer and lighter than the Fold 4, giving some credence to the report's comments about lightweight. Star Ice again, these are all nuances that need to be felt to be fully understood. According to the universe, the Fold 5 will weigh 254 grams, making it 9 grams lighter than the Fold 4. On paper, 9 grams lighter seems little, but in the hand, it makes a significant difference. We've also heard that, like its predecessor, it would reportedly feature a 6.2-inch cover screen. According to the same source, the design will also be the same. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.